How to change YouTube premium payment method. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can change your payment method in YouTube. In order to make changes with your payment method in YouTube, you'll need to first of all make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and you'll not be able to do it from the application. So you'll have to log in from your web browser. Open up a web browser of your choice. After that, on the web address bar, go ahead and type in support.google.com/YouTube. Don't worry about the link. I'll make sure to drop the link on my description box below as well. How you can make changes with your payment method on YouTube. So you can see, in order to change your default payment method, you'll need to head over to this particular link, that is youtube.com/membership. Directly go to this link, and after that it's going to direct you to the premium page where you'll be able to see your card details. In my case, I don't have a premium account, so I'll not be able to show you the features or the interface. All you have to do is first of all add a new card. After that, you can just remove the primary card and make the secondary card as a default payment method. In this way, you can make changes with your YouTube premium payment method. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.